Welcome to GadgetsPod, where every review is backed by real use and tested insights. From smart tech to the latest gadgets, we bring you hands-on reviews you can trust. This is GadgetsPod, tried and tested. Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetsPod, tried and tested, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest tech after using it. Today, we're diving into the TP-Link Tapo Smart Bulb, a key piece in the Tapo home automation ecosystem. This bulb promises smart lighting and integrates seamlessly with the other devices in the Tapo series. Disclaimer: all Tapo devices featured in this video were purchased with our own funds. TP-Link has not sponsored or influenced this review in any way. Our opinions are unbiased and based solely on our personal experience with the products. The TP-Link Tapo Smart Bulb comes in different package options, so you can buy it as a single bulb or in a pack of two, perfect if you plan to add smart lighting to multiple rooms. This is a Wi-Fi enabled, multicolor, dimmable LED bulb. With 16 million colors and various temperature settings, it offers a ton of flexibility for any room. Key highlights: control it with your smartphone or voice commands. Create custom schedules and adjust brightness from anywhere. Integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. Before we start, you may need a B22 to E26 or E27 or other screw-type adapter, depending on the type of light socket in your region. Many smart bulbs use an E27 base, but certain countries and fixtures use a B22 socket. Be sure to check your light fixture to see if an adapter is needed. Tapo Smart Wi-Fi Light Bulb lets you easily control your lights via the Tapo app, no matter where you find yourself. Follow the steps below to set up your Tapo Smart Bulb using the Tapo app. Go to Google Play or the Apple App Store or scan the QR code below to download the Tapo app. Open the app and use your TP-Link ID to log in. If you don't have a TP-Link ID, tap Sign Up to create one and the app will guide you through the rest. Once logged in, you'll be all set to go. Before we add the Tapo Smart Bulb to the app, there's one important step. We need to soft reset it. Here's how to do it. Start with the bulb in the on position. Toggle the switch off and on 3 times, pausing for 1 second. The bulb should blink 3 times, letting you know it's reset and ready to connect. Once you see the blinking, you're all set to continue with the app setup. With the bulb reset, let's add it to the Tapo app. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Select Smart Bulb and choose your model. For this setup, we're using the Tapo L530B as an example. Keep your phone or tablet close to the bulb during setup for a strong connection. When prompted, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Tapo Bulb's network. Tapo_bulb_XXXX, where XXXX is bulb ID. Then return to the app. Now choose your network and enter its password. Then tap Next to add your Tapo bulb to your home network. The bulb will softly blink to confirm successful connection to Wi-Fi and the app. Give your Tapo bulb a name, assign it a location, and customize its icon to easily identify it. After setup, check for any firmware updates to ensure optimal performance and set an update schedule if desired. And that's it. Now your Tapo bulb is connected, and you can control it from the app anytime, anywhere. Let's take a closer look at the controls available in the Tapo app for your smart bulb. Power control. Easily switch the bulb on or off with a tap. Auto color selection. Choose from preset colors or let the bulb auto-select colors and adjust temperature and brightness for optimal illumination. Brightness control. Adjust the brightness manually to set the perfect lighting level for your space. Manual color and temperature control. Manually pick colors and fine-tune the color temperature to suit your exact preferences. Energy usage. Monitor your bulb's energy consumption to track its efficiency. Themes. Select from different themes to create specific moods, like relax, focus, or party mode. Scheduling. Set schedules for the bulb to automatically turn on or off at specific times and days so it fits your daily routine. Timer. Use the timer to automatically switch the light on or off after a set duration. Away mode. Enable away mode to randomly switch your lights on and off, creating the appearance that someone is home even when you're away. Smart Actions. With Smart Actions, you can create automations that link different devices together. For example, you can set the light to turn on automatically when a motion sensor or door contact sensor is triggered. The possibilities are endless. You can automate your devices in any way you like to make your home smarter and more efficient. Device control sharing. Share control of your Tapo Smart Bulb with family members through the Tapo app, allowing everyone to manage the device together. For advanced settings, tap the hexagonal icon at the top right of the app screen. Here you can customize several options for your Tapo Smart Bulb. Device icon. Choose a custom icon for your device. Device name. Change or update the name of your bulb. Location. Set the location where the bulb is placed, like living room or bedroom. Default state. Set what happens when the bulb is powered on from the app or power source. You can choose a specific color, brightness, or have it return to its previous state after a power outage. Light on, off gradually. Enable this feature to have the light gradually fade on or off, reducing eye strain. Groups. Group multiple bulbs together to control them simultaneously. Smart Action. As mentioned earlier, this lets you automate your devices based on triggers. Device info. View the device's network details, model number, IP address, and more. These advanced settings give you even more control over your smart lighting, so you can tailor it to your preferences. Now, let's take a look at how the Tapo Smart Bulb works seamlessly with other Tapo sensors, like the motion sensor and door contact sensor. With automation, I can set up the light to turn on whenever motion is detected, making it perfect for areas like hallways or the kitchen. And with the Tapo door contact sensor, the light can automatically turn on when I open the door, ensuring that I never walk into a dark room. You can also control the Tapo Smart Bulb using the Tapo Smart Switch, allowing you to turn the bulb on and off, as well as adjust the brightness by simply rotating the knob. Thanks to Tapo's compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, I can also control these devices using voice commands. For example, I can simply say, "Alexa, turn on the living room lights," and my Tapo Smart Bulbs respond instantly. It's that easy. By linking the sensors and bulbs through the Tapo app, I've created a smart lighting system that's both efficient and convenient. Let's quickly go through the pros and cons of the Tapo Smart Bulb. Pros. Easy setup. Setup is quick and easy with the Tapo app. Customizable lighting. You can adjust brightness, color, and temperature to fit your mood. Automation and scheduling. Set schedules and automate your lighting with Smart Actions. Cons. Wi-Fi dependency. It needs a stable Wi-Fi connection to work properly. Cost. It's priced higher than basic smart bulbs. Accidental soft reset. Switching the bulb on and off 3 times resets it, requiring a resetup. Overall, we would rate the Tapo Smart Bulb 4.5 out of 5 stars. Despite a few minor cons, it's a fantastic smart bulb, offering excellent control and convenience for your home. That's a wrap on the Tapo Smart Bulb. We've got more Tapo smart home devices to review soon, like motion sensors, smart hubs, smart buttons, and door contacts. So, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to catch all our upcoming smart home videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.